Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through my top resource websites. So like the websites that I get my resources and assets from, the top ones, I'm going to be sharing them with you. Alright, so some of you might be familiar with some of these websites already, and some of you might hear some of these websites for the very first time, but either way, I hope you learned something new from this video. So without talking too much, let's get right into it. So first on the list, sorry, excuse me. So first on the list, I'm going to start with something very common, which is freepik.com. Alright, you can see the name up here, freepik.com. So for freepik, I get a bunch of different things. I get illustrations, I get stock images, I get text effects, PSD files. There are a bunch of things you can get on freepik. I even get fonts. Alright, it's like an all-in-one website. Alright, so if you've not been using freepik, I think this is your sign to start using it. Alright, don't sleep on freepik. Alright, so let's search for something. What should we search for? Okay, let's go with something I've searched already. Makeup model. Let's see what we'll get. Alright, so you can see the quality of the images. Alright, just by searching makeup model. Okay, so on freepik, you might be wondering whether it's free or not. It's actually free and paid. Alright, so you can see these images here, they are free. Okay, but once you see this crown, you know that is a paid image. Alright, so most of them are free, and if you want to see only the ones that are free, you can come here to license, select free, and it's going to load only free ones. So all these images you're seeing here are completely free for personal use. Alright, so freepik is one of my top websites. Like I use it a lot. Alright, so my second website is pinterest.com. So I'm sure everybody will know what Pinterest is, and if for some reason you do not know Pinterest, well, sorry, then this video is for you. Alright, so Pinterest is where I come for inspiration. You can also get resources on Pinterest too, but I come for inspiration most of the time because a lot of designers, they post their work on here. Sorry, my network is a bit bad. I'm trying to load it. So like I was saying, a lot of designers post their work on here. I also post my work on Pinterest. So anytime I get like a new brief or a new project I'm working on, I usually come to Pinterest to see, what other designers have done in this space, and how I can also structure my work around that. Alright, so let me try and change my Wi-Fi to see if network will be better, because I want to show you guys what Pinterest looks like. Let's see. Alright, so it's loading. Excuse me. So this is what Pinterest looks like. It's just a bunch of other people's work. Alright, so let it load. Third world demons. Network is one of the third world demons. Network, electricity. So sorry about this, guys, but most of you know what Pinterest looks like, right? So this is basically it. I just come here, I look for inspiration. You can also get resources. Usually I get like background resources from here. Okay, gradients, you can get color palettes, you can get abstract backgrounds, glue, gradient, like anything, textures, you can get it from Pinterest. Alright, so that's what I use Pinterest for. Now the next website on my list is Pexels.com. Pexels.com, I usually use it just for stock images, right? So if I'm looking for like premium looking stock images, you can see what this picture looks like. You can just look at how vintage and how premium they look. So anytime I'm looking for this vibe, I come to Pexels straight up. Alright, so that's what I use Pexels for. Pexels.com. You can see the name here. Alright, so let's move on. This is the third website. The fourth website is unsplash.com. So just like Pexels, I also use Unsplash for pictures, for images, stock images. Alright, premium looking stock images, I come to Unsplash, and most of it is free, right? A lot of it is free. Some are not, but majority of it is free. You can see how the immense quality that all the pictures have. Like, you'll never see a low quality picture on splash.com. All right, so my fourth website is resourceboy.com, and I can bet that a lot of you will not know this website. All right, so I'm not really sure, but I think it's a relatively new website. I'm not sure about that, but I discovered it. Sorry about this. I have cough. All right, so sorry about that. All right, so like I said, I think it's a new website because I just discovered it like a couple months ago. Okay, and it's everything is free. All right, every single thing on this website is free. Right, you can get fonts, you can get textures, you can get text effects, you can get mockups, you can get gradients, brushes, patterns, even flyers. Like, everything is free, mockups, everything. Like, it's an amazing website, honestly. Right, you can just come here to the font section. All right, if we click on the font section, you'll just come, you look at all these fonts, everything free for personal use. Everything, all these fonts are free, right? Everything free. Is that not amazing? If you click on textures, it will take you to the texture section, right? And look at this light slick overlays. All right, I've gotten a lot of textures from here for free. Look at this light flares, lens flares, like sorry, composed paper texture, like everything free. Like, it's an amazing website. If you go to mockups, sorry that I'm coughing so much. Look at all these mockups, amazing premium looking mockups for free. So if you've not discovered Resource Boy, I challenge you to jump down there and take advantage of all these free resources. Like, because I'm sure that once they start getting traction, once they start getting a lot of people to visit their site, they'll start making some of these things premium. So now that everything is free, I encourage you to run here and jump on it. All right, the next website, which is the 1 2 3 4 5, my sixth website, is called flaticon.com. So Flaticon, I believe that the same people that developed Freepik are the same people that developed Flaticon, because they have a very similar user interface. Their websites look very alike. All right, so I think it's the same people. And Flaticon is basically for icons, right? So if you want to download any type of icon, social media icons, any type of icon at all, Flaticon is your guy, right? So let's just search for anything. You search for Photoshop icon. They are going to show you Photoshop icons. Look at this, everything Photoshop. Let's search for something else. Let's search for house. We search for house. You can look at this. These are all house icons, right? If you search for Facebook, look at this Facebook icon. So any type of icon you're looking for, right, Flaticon is your website. Like, anytime you want to download an icon, don't even think too much, just go straight to Flaticon, right? Now, my seventh website is PNG Wing, right? So like the name implies, I just use it to download PNG files. So you can come here and search for anything. So what should we search for? Money Point POS. If you're in Nigeria, you know what this is, right? So I think it's loading. But if you just scroll down, you can see all the PNG files they have. They have icons as well, but I prefer downloading icons from Flaticon, because Flaticon icons are of more quality, right? And if you pay for Flaticon, you can also get the SVG file, which is amazing. You can see all the PNG files here. All right, so that's what PNG Wing does for me. Like, anything, just think of anything, search it on PNG Wing, you'll most likely see it. All right, so my last but not my least website is for fonts, and it's called dafont.com. It's a very popular website. A lot of people know it. I love dafont.com because it's very simple to use. Why do I say it's simple? Once you've seen the font you want, just come to the right hand side and click download. Once I click download, it will immediately download. Can you look at this? It's already downloading. Just one click. All right, so other resource websites, other font websites, you have to click. They'll be taking you to a bunch of different pages until you can finally download it. But on the font.com, with a single click, the font will start downloading for you. So that's why I love it so much. There are different categories. If you look at the top, you see fancy. Under fancy, there are different sections. Under foreign look, there are different sections. Under techno, bitmap, gothic, basic, script, dingbat, holiday, there are different sections. And if you look at this section, you see sans serif, you see calligraphy, you see ancient, a bunch of different sections, different types of fonts. All right, so it's an amazing website for fonts. All right, so these are my top websites that I use on a daily basis as a graphic designer, but I added one more website as a bonus, and it's called cosmos.so. All right, so it's basically like Pinterest, but it's like more classy. It has a more premium vibe. All right, so basically this is what it is. This is what it looks like. All right, so this is what it looks like. I don't know why they're showing me all this. Can I just let me just show you guys what it's like. I don't know if it's network that's causing all this. I think it's network. Sorry, Cosmos, you must show. Sorry, let me load it back. It's just a very cool website where they have a bunch of pictures for different things, and you might be able to get resources for your designs or even get inspirations for your designs. I just wanted to show you guys because I feel I feel like it's a cool website. I'm so sorry for this coughing, man. I'm so sorry. Alright, so I feel like it's a very cool website. That's what I want to show you guys. So I just go to it from time to time. Right. So this is it. It's loading. 97%. Yeah, this is the website. Like say no one load though. Anyway, you guys shall know the website cosmos.so. You can check it out by yourself. It looks like my network does not want to have sense, so I'm so sorry. I'm going to this is where we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much. If you watched to this point and enjoyed all my coughing, you're a real G. I thank you. I appreciate you. Kindly smash that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Drop a like, drop a comment, tell me what you learned. If you learned something new, tell me what type of video you'd like me to create, or if there's a specific type of website you'd like me to talk about, or let's say there's a specific type of resource that you struggle with and you want me to give you websites for that specific resource, or you want me to talk about AI or whatever you want. Let me know in the comment section and I'm going to do a video for that. All right, till we meet again, love and light. Thank you. Have a nice day. Peace out.